Guys, this is the full moon. Full moon po, oh guys. Kita po ba ninyo? Full moon today, guys. Full moon today, guys. Yan guys, oh, full moon, oh. Kita po ba ninyo? Full moon. Ayun, oh, natakpan siya. It's covered by the tree. Ayan po guys, oh. Yan. Full moon po ngayon guys, oh. Full moon. Ayan. Full moon po guys, oh. Full moon. Yun guys, oh, ang laki. Full moon po, oh. Full moon. Laki guys. Natakpan lang po siya, eh. Nakikita po ba ninyo yun? Yun guys, oh. Full moon, oh. Full moon guys, oh. Kita po ba ninyo? Ayun. Yun na guys. Na ano lang po siya, oh. Yan guys, oh. Yan. Full moon po, full moon. Ayan guys, oh.